Hey Jammers, it's me, Hollywood, here, and just close up that tab. So, today's giveaway will be this long wrist. If anyone wants to win it, comment down below your usernames. Anyway, we're gonna talk about ecatt AJ today. This is a very serious case. If you search this up, if you go to YouTube, you can see there's a channel and stuff. Okay, so what I found from my friend, it is called Animal Jack, is that she made a video on ecatt. She just put in here. She made a video on ecatt as well. Just go here. She's Cuties Club. She was with her friend Snowy, and also Snowy made a video about it. 15 subscribers, and just subscribe. She also made a video, 2 videos actually. So I'm gonna make an exposing video of her. So there was this jammer who claimed she was scammed. We just switch ecatt AJ again. If you search this up, you'll find the first video would be my friend ecatt is a scammer. If you just click on this, you'll see there's proof of her saying the trust game. See the trust game. Otherwise, if you just go right here or somewhere, she traded an orange line and she was scammed, apparently. And then there's another witness. ecatt AJ is a scammer herself. Just click on this. They were talking about ecatt, and I have a witness as well. I have a witness called. She was like. Sorry about the background noise. It's just so windy. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna search up ecatt. She has a headdress. There's no way she'd earn that by herself. As you can see if you go in here. Sorry about the background noise. It's just a friend. Oh my fucking god. 1 second. Sorry, my friend's just really a baby. She's like, I don't know, she's probably like 6 or 7. I made this account for her anyway. So, back to the topic. She has a headdress, right? There's no way she earned that headdress by herself. She probably scammed it. You know what? Screw you, ecatt. I wish I never would knew you. And there's another account called ecatt. I think it is, yeah. This is a nicer person. I wish I never knew the other ecatt. I know this person on my main, aka, Reezy. So, ecatt, see, is a really good friend, and then there you have the jerk, ecatt, which sucks. So go ahead and report ecatt. I'm gonna report her as well. For scamming. So put that. Also block the player. Try and buddy him. honestly. That's really dumb. Also, if you search my name, kind of ugly. Anyway, if you search, I'm not sure if you can search this, or Vanny, I think. No. You search S-Fan, I think. If you search S-Fan, she's a witness as well, so, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.